Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the file type or file extension format in your Windows 10 PC. So first of all, you just need to go to the folder where you have your video file or any other type file that you want to change your extension. So to see the extension, you just have to go to the View tab here. Up here, go to the View, and you have to check mark the file name extension, so that way you can see the extension of this file. Check mark that, and you can now see this is a JPG file and this is a MKV file. So I'm gonna turn this MKV file into change the file into MP4 format. So just right click on it, and then you have to choose the rename option here. Click on rename here, and now you have to change the MKV to MP4 here. So just clear the MKV and type on MP4 here, hit enter, and this will show you pop up here. If you change file and extension, it will change it. So click yes, and now you can see it's changed into MP4 now. Now this file is now as MP4 here. If you go to the properties here, you can see it's now MP4 file. Now let's change this JPG file, this image file, turn into a text file. So just right click on it, go to the rename option here, just clear the JPG from here and type text here, click enter, yes. Now you can see the image file is now turned into a text file here. So that's it guys, this is how you change the file extension or file type in your Windows 10 PC. So that's it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.